Right, we got a Coleman C2 CT200U. It's got like a 5 horsepower motor on it. Basically all we took off the little back thing. It was like you could put like a gas tank on there, like a fish or a tackle box for it. So let's ride. One thing, we took the mufflers off of both of them. It was really loud. Springs, it backfires every time you go. That one don't. Starting with this one. Show the flames. Not doing the flames. Keep getting starting with this one. Where'd it go?
Hey guys, we're going to be going top speed down through these curves, flat top.
Around this, like 30, 35. It's about to come around this corner. This thing is loud, but it goes slow. Here we go. Wow. That thing is wide as crap. You didn't get that good of a video? We should flame it.
Hi guys, thanks. That was the end of the video. Hope you like it.
Oh yeah. Go check out. Where is it? Look at it. Look at the cam. Go check out Yoda Boy 52. Bye.
Have a good time.
Like, comment, subscribe. What?